roll.
Do some more. We're gonna do some more playing with the granite. One, I'm gonna fuse it completely to the block. Oh, it cracked that. Too much heat in one local spot. But we're just gonna go ahead and turn this thing into one lump of glass.
I can't even look at it.
No, I can barely look at it. Even with these on, I need a full welding helmet. And it really... Now I know why molten lava is so flowing. And this stuff just flows and melts actually pretty easily. I'm gonna completely liquefy and adhere it to this rock as much as possible, or to the mason block.
I hope they don't blow up that block.
Well, if we do, it'll be on tape. It liquefies this stuff real quick. It just turns it gooey right now. If this torch had more air velocity, it'd just spray it everywhere. Alright. And it's still red hot. Stores that heat really well. That's awesome. You know, that'd make a really cool finish for granite. Or like a piece
I can't see, my eyes are shut now.
Let me see. Over a piece of countertop granite. That would actually look very, very nice.
It's black, isn't it?
I'll see if I can't get a still picture or something unloaded. That, I mean, it's absolutely just black gloss. Beautiful color. Tap it. No, I mean tap it. Alright. So, oh yeah. I mean, it's glassified. Alright.